Let's be real. Most of us in Nigeria have searched how to make money online fast, at least once. And 9 out of 10 times we end up seeing some guy saying, just invest 5,000 naira and I'll turn it into 1 million naira in 1 week. Yeah, right. My brother, even Dangote is not making that kind of quick profit. The truth is this: there are real and proven ways Nigerians are making money online right now, without scams, without blood pressure. In today's video, I'll show you the 5 easiest ways to make money online in Nigeria, backed with real facts, funny truths, and even how you can use YouTube and faceless videos to earn in dollars. And trust me, YouTube is the easiest and best option today. Let's go. First on the list, graphic design. Think about it. Every day you open Instagram or Facebook, you see new flyers, banners, or logos. Somebody designed them. And guess what? Somebody got paid. Fact. The global graphic design industry is worth over $45 billion, and Nigerians are cashing in. Here's how you can start. Use free tools. Canva is like the Indomie of design. Cheap, fast, and always available. Practice with samples. Even if no client has hired you yet, design flyers for imaginary events. Make a flyer for Emika's goat birthday party if you must, just to practice. Open an account on Fiverr or Upwork and showcase your designs. Funny truth, some people earn money just by removing the background from pictures. Imagine that. A whole side hustle from deleting backgrounds. If that's not easy, I don't know what is. Next is video editing and YouTube thumbnails. This one is hot like fresh puff puff. Why? Because YouTube is booming in Nigeria and beyond. Everyone wants to start a channel, but editing is stressful. That's why many YouTubers prefer to outsource it. Fact, over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. That means editors and thumbnail designers will never run out of work. Here's how you can start. Learn with free apps like CapCut, VN, or iMovie. Thumbnails are powerful. A thumbnail is like suya at a party. It attracts everyone first. Offer package deals. Example: I'll edit your 10-minute video and design a thumbnail for $20. And here's the gold mine. Even if nobody hires you, you can start your own faceless YouTube channel. Use free stock footage, simple editing, or AI voiceovers. No need to show your face. People are running channels on topics like motivation, football, and tech, and they're cashing out in dollars from ads. If you think YouTube is saturated, remember, Nigerians watch Big Brother Naija for hours every day. Trust me, people will also watch your content if it's good. Number 3, social media management. Look around. Even your neighborhood Akara seller now has an Instagram page. Everybody wants to blow online, but not everyone knows how. That's where you come in. Brands will pay you to handle their Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Steps to begin. Learn tools like Buffer or Canva's Planner to schedule posts. Approach small Nigerian businesses, fashion boutiques, food vendors, even churches. Offer packages like, I'll post 5 times a week and reply to comments for 30,000 naira per month. Fact, the average social media manager earns between $300 to $700 monthly worldwide. In Nigeria, that's big money. Funny reality, some businesses only post once every 3 months and still wonder why they don't have followers. If you can fix that, you've got a client for life. But remember, while social media management pays, YouTube pays better. With YouTube, you don't need clients stressing you. You own your platform, you create content once, and it can make you money for years. Fourth, we've got copywriting and content writing. If you love writing, this one's for you. Businesses need words that sell. Blog posts, ads, product descriptions, website content. That's what copywriting is. Fact, copywriters are some of the highest paid freelancers. A single sales page can fetch you $100 or more. Steps to begin: pick a niche. Tech, finance, lifestyle, or health. Practice writing. Use medium.com to publish your own sample articles. Offer services on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Pro tip: instead of just writing blogs for clients, start writing YouTube scripts. Why? Because scripts can be repurposed into faceless videos. YouTube then pays you through ads, and unlike freelancing, this is passive income. Imagine sleeping in Lagos and waking up to see YouTube has paid you in dollars, money that came while you were dreaming of suya and zobo. Finally, programming and web design. This is for the tech lovers. Businesses need websites and apps, and they're ready to pay. Steps to begin. Start with no-code builders like WordPress or Wix. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript gradually. Build demo sites as samples. Offer to create websites for Nigerian businesses. Fact: a single website project abroad can pay you anywhere from $200 to $1,000. But here's the truth: programming takes time to learn. If you need faster results, YouTube is easier. With faceless content, you don't need years of coding. You just need consistency, creativity, and a niche that people love to watch. Coding is great, but if you don't like stress, YouTube is the Lago shortcut. It's faster and it works. So those are the 5 easiest ways to make money online in Nigeria: graphic design, video editing and thumbnails, social media management, copywriting and content writing, web design and programming. Each one can put money in your pocket, but the truth is, YouTube is the easiest and most powerful. You can start today with your phone, upload faceless videos, and build a steady income in dollars. Fact: some faceless YouTube channels earn over $10,000 per month, and the owners never appear on camera. So if you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial on starting a faceless YouTube channel in Nigeria, type yes in the comments right now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs hope today. Remember, you don't need to leave Nigeria to earn in dollars.